Chapter 19, Part 6. We're going to look at some indefinite expressions followed by the subjunctive, especially quelque expressions. Now, this is really tricky stuff, and even native French speakers sometimes make a lot of mistakes when they're writing. Now, the spoken part of this is a lot easier. It all sounds alike, but written, these words are quite different. We're going to look at three phrases that are pretty similar. We're going to look at quelque as one word plus an adjective. That means however. Quelque plus a noun, quelque is one word, means whatever. But then we can have quelque as two words followed by a verb in the subjunctive, and that's going to mean in spite of what or in whatever. And that quel is going to agree in gender and number. So we've got quelque as one word and quelque as two words. So let's look at quelque as one word first. Quelque belle que tu sois, tu n'es pas gentil. This is going to be, it's followed by an adjective, so it's going to be however. However beautiful that you may be, or however beautiful that you are, so we've got the subjunctive here, however beautiful you may be, tu n'es pas gentil. You are not nice. Quelque beauté tu possèdes, tu as une personnalité désagréable. So here we have whatever beauty you possess, you have a disagreeable personality. So whatever beauty, however beautiful, those are, this is a noun, here's an adjective. So those are how we can translate quelque as one word. Now we can have quelque as two words. We looked at quelque as one word. We can also have quelque as two words. And when quelque is two words, the quel has to agree with what it's describing in gender and number, and then que, and then we've got a clause with the verb in the subjunctive. And this is going to be the same thing as quoique, whatever or in spite of what. So quique plus the verb in subjunctive is going to be whoever, in spite of who. So, quelles que soient tes raisons, je ne les comprends pas. Whatever your reasons may be, so quelque, whatever be your reasons, or whatever may be your reasons, I do not understand them. Whatever your reasons may be, I do not understand them. Quoique tu dises, so quoique in two words also. Whatever you say or whatever you may say, je ne t'aime pas, I do not love you. Qui que tu sois, in spite of who you are, or our first translation would be whoever you may be, but we could translate that in spite of who you are. Je ne veux pas te voir, I do not want to see you. That's a bit tricky there. So this is quelque, two words, quoique, two words, and quique, two words. Not to be confused with quelque in one word, which can also be translated as whatever. So that's kind of nice for translating to English. Quoique, or no, quelque in one word or quelque in two words can generally be translated as whatever. Now note, there's also a word pronounced the same as quelque, quelque with an S, which means the same as plusieurs, which means several or a few. So don't confuse quelque with an S with quelque one word no S or quelque as two words. So quelque with an S means several or a few. Now another expression is si plus que. Si sûr que vous soyez. And so si here kind of has the sense of so sure that you may be, or however sure you may be. Vous pouvez tout oublier. You may forget everything au moment de l'examen. You might forget everything at the time of the test. So we can translate that. However sure you may be, you may forget everything at the time of the test. Ooh, that's an ominous sentence. But that's si sûr que, so sure that you may be, or however sure that you may be. So here are 5 sentences to translate, and when you've written down your answers, check them with the next video.